If your check engine light just turned on and your scanner shows a P0455 trouble code, don't panic. P0455 stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Gross Leak. It means your vehicle's onboard computer has detected a large vapor leak in the EVAP system, the part of your car that prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. What is the EVAP system? The EVAP system captures and stores fuel vapors from your gas tank. It uses a charcoal canister and a series of valves and hoses to prevent those vapors from reaching the air. The car runs a test using sensors to check if the system holds pressure, and if there's a leak, like a hole in a hose or a missing cap, the test fails. So how do you know if you're dealing with a P0455 issue? Here are the common symptoms. Check engine light is on. Usually, there's no change in how your car drives. You might smell fuel vapors, especially near the gas cap. Or you might notice worse gas mileage over time. Common causes of P0455. P0455 is triggered by a large leak in the EVAP system. Some of the most common causes include loose or missing gas cap, cracked or broken EVAP hose, damaged charcoal canister, faulty purge valve or vent valve, fuel tank leak or corrosion. Fun fact, a loose gas cap alone accounts for over 30% of all P0455 cases. Here's how to start diagnosing this issue. Step 1. Check your gas cap. Make sure it clicks tightly. Step 2. Inspect hoses connected to the charcoal canister for cracks. Step 3. Use a smoke machine, if available, to find the leak visually. Step 4. Test the purge and vent valves, they may be stuck open. To clear the code, fix the issue and then erase the code with a scanner, or drive for a few days until the system retests. Staying on top of small EVAP issues keeps your fuel system clean and prevents unnecessary emissions. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other DTC code explanations.